I told you, there's a box where you can get 42 wholesale products for $3.50 each for only $150. I don't know about you, but I know about me. When I wanted to start reselling, my biggest problem was finding product, and not just any type of product, but products with quality, products that are known for selling, trending products I can put on eBay, Amazon, MERCARI, even Walmart Marketplace, even OfferUp, even sell at flea markets. One of my biggest problems was trying to find products. Now, when I say trying to find products, obviously I can go to DHgate, I can go to TeamU, I can go anywhere. I can go to AliExpress and I can find products, but these products are going to take a while to get to. You can get a wholesale bundle box from IamHustlersMindset.com for $150 for 42 items and be able to flip that 150 to 500 and plus. We have a fleet of testimonials and we have been testing our products with the product box for months. Guys, we are only building, only expanding, and we want you guys to do the same. We want you guys to be able to make money work for you. So today what I'll be doing is showing you guys me boxing up an order and showing you exactly what is in the box, showing you exactly what we would list them for, and giving the box a total value. Then we were going to be packaging the box up and taking it to the postal service. Guys, I am so excited for this customer to get this product box, and I'm excited for you to get yours as well. Guys, if you want to get this product box, again, you can go to IamHustlersMindset.com. The link is going to be below as well. And we are really dedicated to making sure you guys are making money, not with only the box, but with the products in it and also products on our website. We get these products from testing these products and also from my stores, my multiple stores in Philadelphia that I do sell these products with and at. Guys, I have storefronts that buy product boxes from us, really the 62-piece product box, and they put these products in their stores as well. I don't know what state you're in. I don't know what city you live in. I don't know what problems that arise with you, whether it comes with financial, whether it comes with consistency or procrastination or something else. But one thing I will tell you is we have to get up and we have to work and we have to get to it. We cannot depend on our jobs. We can't depend on our paychecks. We can't depend on anybody to do it for us. We have to put the power in our own hands, and that is something that made us create this product box. So let's get into exactly what's in this box. Okay guys, so first let's talk about the products that we have in this box. So number one, we have the USB to lightning cords. Okay, these cables are durable and these are high sellers. These are something that people need every single day. How many people break their chargers every single day? And we also have the type C ones in there as well. So we have 5 of these each, okay? So 5 USB to lightning and 5 type C to lightning in the box. We also have 5 of the USB-C adapters. These are the 20-watt adapters, and these adapters are going to be something that is a high seller as well. The packaging is awesome too. So guys, when you open them, you'll see, and I can't even get it out, the packaging comes just like this. Okay, it gives the customer the experience that they're looking for when they are buying these adapters. Again, and also we are really big on packaging. The packaging on the back looks great as well. Oops, I didn't close this thing right. But nevertheless, guys, these are high sellers. So the USB to lightning cable cords, we usually bundle these and we can sell 3 for around $8.50, okay? And the type C adapters, we can sell around 3 for around $9.50, okay, in a bundle. And also these by themselves, we can sell these from anywhere to $8 to $12 each. Anywhere from $8 to $12 each, guys. These are high sellers. We also have 10-foot cables. These 10-foot cables, we can sell these obviously online for around $6.50 or all the way up to $9.50. These are great sellers as well. Again, everything we try and sell, we try to make sure these are trending and something that people need. We also have a 6-foot cable that you get. So he's getting one 10-foot and he's getting one 6-foot, okay? The 6-foot, you can sell this for $6.50, maybe $7.50 as well. Then we have the USB adapters, and these are the classic adapters that everybody loves because they're so used to using it. So literally you can sell these for around $5, $4.50. Either way, you can sell these fast. And both of these, you can bundle these with any of the cords and make more money. I've seen people bundle an adapter with 2 cables for around $15, $16, and that's a great profit, okay guys? Because remember, everything in this box that I'm showing you guys, you sell this for higher than $3.50 and you're making a profit, okay? Now, we also have headphones, okay? These are headphones that people look for when they're looking for cheap headphones just to put in the ear so they can talk or so they can exercise. These sell really, really good on MERCARI. These are actually what we put on MERCARI with our MERCARI automation. So, guys, these sell as well. So, he's going to be getting 2 of these, 5 adapters, okay? And of course, we can't forget about the MagSafe charger. So the MagSafe charger, this is something that is a top seller as well. You can sell this for around $15. Guys, this is only costing you $3.50. He's getting 1 of these in the box. Also, I cannot forget about the MagSafe cases. If you are somebody that has participated in the MERCARI automation program, okay, you already know this is a high seller. These sell like hotcakes, okay? And he's going to get 3 MagSafe cases. So this is going to be a 14. This is going to be a 14 Pro Max. So we got some 14 MagSafe cases, guys, and this is going to literally propel the business on any platform. Also, we're going to throw in 2 screen protectors. These protectors are going to be for the 13 and 13 Pro. These screen protectors are really, really good because these are tempered glass, and also look at the packaging. The packaging is impeccable, and they come with wipes and dry cloths as well. Now, also, he'll get 2 of those. He'll get 1 of the power banks. So these power banks are really good sellers too. Who doesn't want to charge their phone? Who doesn't? Who doesn't want to be at the beach and have an extra way of charging their phones? These power banks are really good sources of income because they don't cost that much. So you can sell this for $10, $12. You're making a profit. All right. Last but not least, we always like to put something that is really, really good, something that is really spectacular in everybody's box. So we are going to be throwing in a U-Bio Labs power bank, okay? So this power bank, guys, has one of the best packaging I think I can say ever, okay? This packaging is impeccable, and I want to open it, but it is completely sealed right now, and I don't want to break the seal from you. So I want you to be able to sell this, and if you want to crack it open, you can crack it open. This is a really great charger, guys. This charger you can sell for around $50. In my store, we sell this for $60. So I only can imagine what you're gonna sell it for. The total value in this box that we put together is around $450, guys. You can make this money work. And this is a low projection. You can bundle products, mix and match products, sell them on different platforms. Guys, you literally can make money. This is literally us giving you the products to sell and you making money. We're giving them to you for a discount. So you guys have all the opportunity to make the profit. You just have to make it happen. You guys are going to get this done, and I can't wait to see the results. And if you guys want to see more testimonials and more boxings, please like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.